The line graph is about daily high and low temperatures over a week. The y-axis is about the temperature in degrees Celsius. The highest temperature experienced on Saturday, which is 26 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, the lowest temperature experienced on Wednesday, which is only 14 degrees Celsius. Overall, it's about the daily high and low temperatures over the week.
These line charts give information about daily temperatures over a week. From the picture we can see on Thursday the high temperature is 23 degrees. For high temperature on Friday the value is higher, which is 25 degrees. The highest low temperature is on Saturday around 19 degrees, and the lowest low temperature is on Wednesday just 14 degrees. In general, the high temperature is about 7 degrees higher than the low temperature. To sum up, the graph tells about the daily temperatures over a week.
The given bar graph represents the information about daily high and low temperatures over a week. On the x-axis, there is different days of the week, that is Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday. On the y-axis, we have different temperatures ranging from 14 to 26. We have high temperatures and low temperatures in degrees Celsius. From the graph, it is evident that the highest value is for on Sunday with over 26 degrees, and the lowest value is in Wednesday over 14 degrees only. Overall, this graph provides good information about daily temperature changes.
The given image reveals the information about daily high and low temperatures over a week. There are certain elements in this image, including Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. First of all, in the case of high temperature, in the starting of the given time frame is 22, in the middle of the given time frame is less than 24, in the ending of the given time frame is 26. While in the case of low temperature, in the starting of the given time frame is less than 16, in the ending of the given time frame is 18. Apart from that, I am able to see Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Overall, the given image is very informative and provides the information about temperatures.
This given line graph gives information about the daily high and low temperatures over a week. There are two lines which are representing for the high temperature and for the low temperature. On the Monday there are low temperatures near around 30 Celsius, and for the Wednesday is the lowest one, that is under 14 degrees Celsius. And for the highest one, that is 22 degree, that is on the Monday, and Tuesday it's a little bit same. So there are lots of differences between the temperature or over the day. Sometimes it is highest and sometimes it is the lowest one, so it's depend on the season, but they are going on.
This graph represents daily high and low temperatures over a week, with high temperatures and low temperatures. According to the graph, the x-axis represents the day of the week from Monday to Sunday, and the y-axis represents the temperature from 14 degrees to 26 degrees. According to the graph, we can see that the highest was on Saturday with around 26, and the lowest was on Wednesday at around 14. In conclusion, this bar graph shows us the daily high and low temperatures over a week.
The title of the line graph is Daily High and Low Temperature over a week. On the x-axis we have days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. On the y-axis we have temperature: 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. The maximum area is covered by Saturday, which is 26, and the minimum area is covered by Wednesday, which is 14.
This image is a line chart that shows information about the daily high and low temperatures over a week from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And the y-axis shows the temperature in degrees Celsius from 14 to 26. First, it is evident that Saturday is the highest temperature for both high and low temperatures, followed by Sunday as the second highest, ranging from 26 to 18. The lowest of the week is Wednesday, ranging from 21 to 14. Overall, this provides information on the high and low temperatures over the week.
The following bar graph gives information about the daily high and low temperatures over a week. The first tracking feature of the image is two different type of line to describe this pie chart: high and low temperature. Furthermore, important information about in Monday, high temperature 14 and low temperature 22 is given. Moreover, some details about Wednesday and Thursday, high temperature are both are same is also presented. Additionally, some facts about in Friday, high temperature 16 and low temperature 22 is can be seen. I can see largest value, also the smallest value. In conclusion, the bar graph is very informative and very useful.
The picture provides information about daily high and low temperatures over a week. Firstly, the x-axis provides information about day of the week from Monday to Sunday, whereas y-axis provides information about temperature. The maximum element in the picture shows on Saturday, which has around 26, whereas the minimum element in the picture shows on Wednesday, which has approximately 24. Moreover, the second highest picture in the picture is Friday, which has 24. Overall, the picture was very informative.
The image gives information about the daily temperature. The image also includes daily high and low temperature over a week. X axis represents day of the time and y axis represents the temperature. In the day of the week, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But in the temperature, we have different temperature ranging from 14 degree, 16 degree to 26 degree. The image overall it includes about the temperature and daily temperature.
The image provides information about daily temperature. The key point of the image is daily high and low temperatures over the weeks. Firstly, it indicates Monday and Tuesday. Furthermore, it also indicates Wednesday and Thursday. The highest element is Saturday on the 76 degree, and the lowest element is Wednesday at 14 degree. Overall, some information about Sunday and Saturday is also provided.
The line graph provides that the given important information about daily high and low temperatures over a week. On the y-axis 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 and 26. On the x-axis Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. It also provides information about high temperature and low temperature. Moreover, color plays an important role in visual separation of the content. Overall, the pie chart was very informative.
The image on the screen gives information about daily high and low temperature over a week, while x-axis talk about days of the week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Y-axis talk about temperature like 14, 16, 18, etc. So it can be noted that the maximum temperature, high temperature was in Saturday and it was above 26, while it can be observed that the minimum temperature was in Wednesday and that was around 14 degrees Celsius. And the highlighting feature is that both the temperature high and low temperature are fluctuating. Overall, this image illustrates the high daily high and low temperature over a week.
This line chart gives information about daily temperatures over a week. From the picture, we can see on Thursday the high temperature is 23 degrees. For high temperature on Friday, the value is higher, which is 25 degrees. The highest low temperature is on Saturday, around 19 degrees, and the lowest low temperature is on Wednesday, just 14 degrees. In general, the high temperature is about 7 degrees higher than the low temperature. To sum up, the graph tells about daily temperatures over a week.